Today is Saturday, and I'm going to this particular tech event called Techpoint Build. Yeah, this is my first time going for the event. I actually don't know what to expect. I'm going there with the purpose of networking, meeting new people, other founders, and all of that. And I'm going to be representing Plotter there. Basically, I'm going to be like co-founder of Plotter NG. That's what I'm going to introduce myself as. So, yeah. So Techpoint for me was a time that I wanted to use to network with people, sort of be in that space, the tech industry space, to learn a lot about the tech industry. I was going there for my tech company Flutter NG, and I really just wanted to represent, sort of put my brand out there and talk about my business to like-minded people, and to be in that space of entrepreneur and tech.
We have some unique positions, and this includes couple investors. And so on general, we are the only platform in the whole of Africa currently offering couple investment. So as a couple, you invite your partner, and so you guys can share this and also content on financial education. With just 6% of our target market, our mission at General is to be able to ensure 5 million families in Africa become financially sustainable by the year 2050. And so with just 6% of this market, we are only able to reach a revenue of $179 million annum. And so this is our product one. We launched in September last year. And so we currently have 1,500 families on our waiting list. 2 days ago, we are only able to activate 140 families, and this has generated a revenue of over $92,000 and counting. And so beyond that, we are also involving our corporate clients, and also in March, we also be activating General as a kids. With this $10,000, we'll be able to activate.
I was able to network with actually a lot of people. I was able to speak with people, have conversations, and also go around to see a lot of brands. But then I was able to network and specifically talk to these guys. They are into digital marketing, content creation, tech, and things like that. And it was actually a very, very nice time. Conversations were had, and I was able to get a potential customer for Pesa Engine. So yeah, really, really nice experience for me.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. From the go, I was on my own, had to find out.
guys, so my birthday was actually a very non-conventional kind of birthday. I had no photo shoot and party and all of that. I really just wanted to spend time with people close to me and just have a lot of food for myself, which I'm so glad that I was able to do that. I really did eat for like 4 days straight and it was a really, really nice experience. I went to places that I really wanted to go to and sort of just have fun with myself and my friends, and it was a really, really nice time. I ate a lot. I was really full, and I think I added a little bit of weight, but yeah, it was a very nice experience.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives that needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking out like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics.
Hey guys, so this is one of the things that I got for myself for my birthday. I actually really needed this, and I've been looking for this like everywhere. It's a hairstyling set, and it has 7 different heads. So basically, like I really wanted this because like I needed for my natural hair, for my wigs, and all. So I'm just going to open it up. Oh wow, this is actually very nice. It comes with a 2-mouth plug actually, which in all honesty is actually not bad. Oh, and I like this color compared to the pink. It also comes with a manual apparently. So basically it has like one handle, or let's say, I think this is like the main power source, and then that has different of these that you basically attach to this part, and then it becomes a brush or whatever it is that you attach to it. So this is the first one. Oh, this is actually yeah, it's quite nice. It's strong enough. This one is the hair half roller brush. Okay, so that's it basically. This is actually very nice. Very, very nice. This is actually the one that really confused me when I placed the order on Jumia, because it's supposed to be a heat comb, but then it's not metal, or it looked plastic, and this is not actually metal. Like, it's not like those golden ones that they usually sell. And oh, for some reason it's very, I think there's oil on it. But yeah, what I saw online was that everything here is actually hot air based. So like it's a hot air based product. Do you understand? It's a hot air based product. So hot air is basically passed through. So like there's some holes here. I don't know if you guys can see my finger through, but there are holes here, right? So this one is called the front comb. So this one you use to comb like your edges, your frontal, your parting, and things like that. Okay, so now the brushes. So we have this one, which is the jumbo roller. So I think this one will produce longer curls, while this one is the wide brush. So this is just a brush. This is a normal brush. So as you can see, this is just a normal brush, right? It's just a normal brush. So this is for like maybe you want to like use heat to kind of like brush your hair. So like for people that have natural hair like me, I can use this to actually like sort of blow dry my hair before now straightening it out. So now that's another thing that comes, that I feel like is the downfall with this. There is no straightener here. That's like the flat one. So that's basically everything that comes in the box. That's it for this particular thing I ordered for myself.
So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. More than just a woman, I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions.